SSLC e abbiamo ricevuto l'impressione di letter from the SSLC from Germany. I listen to you after the interview as the technician how to work together with the public business. I also have the letter of recall of my business.
The agency are very pleased to receive your credentials and that of all of your predecessors. I welcome you most sincerely and warmly on the Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency, the Governor General, the government and the people of Tuvalu, our warmest wishes for the continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Welcome to Fiji, congratulations. Hello. Yeah, good to see you again. Good to see you. There we go.